Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt, and in this video we're going to talk about creating an affiliate funnel, and we're going to do it in less than 10 minutes like a total boss. Alright, so you came online, you want to start making some money, you want to start taking affiliate offers to the next level, you want to create freedom in your life, you want to make more money, and you want to become a total boss of your life. Well, we're going to do that right here in this video. I'm going to walk you through. We're going to go over to my computer and I'm going to show you over my shoulder how to do that. Now, before I get started, click on this subscribe button. Also click on the bell. That way you get notified of all of the new videos that I come out with, usually on a daily basis for you to help you succeed online. So in this video, what I'm going to do is we're going to go over to my computer and I'm going to show you how to set up an affiliate offer. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest and simplest ways to get up and get running, making money online. But I'm going to show you a simple trick to really increase your conversions from like 1% to like 20%, right? How you can do that almost instantly, and you can do it in less than 10 minutes. You don't need any technical skills, any of that stuff. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to show you a very simple way to start getting targeted traffic to your new funnel. Okay, so you can get really high quality traffic, people in front of your funnel, people that want to buy your products, and that's how you're going to start making some tremendous amounts of money. All right, so let's get over to my computer and we will jump right into it. All right, so let's get right into it. So first thing we want to do is we want to find an offer that we want to promote that's going to do well. I always like the health fitness offers inside of ClickBank. They always do really well. They just never fail anytime you want to promote these. But I'm going to show you how to, first we're going to find the offer, and then what we'll do is we'll create the affiliate funnel really quick. But we need our link so that, obviously we're going to make money with this affiliate funnel. So what we do is we come in here, health and fitness. What I like to do is just drop the sort by gravity and then go through here, and you can find, these are going to be the top offers to promote. I like to find one that has a bigger payout, like $24 is big. This one's the highest gravity, but it's only $13, so I'm not going to really promote that one. Here's one for $35, $38. I like this 3-week diet one. This one always promotes really well. You can see this is the sales page here. So you never really want to send traffic straight to the sales page. You always want to send it to an affiliate funnel first and then redirect to this page. So what I do is I just click on promote. I click on this right here, and I get this link right here. So I'll copy this. See, I just copied that to my clipboard. That's my unique link. And you'll have your own unique link, affiliate link that's connected to you. So as soon as, if anybody clicks through that link and they buy the product, you get paid for that. So now what I do is I come over here to this system right here. And by the way, I'm going to leave the link below this video. That way you can get the same information on how to use this system here. And so what I do is I come in here to the landing page builder. Okay, so landing page builder. And what I do is I just come in here and I click on add. All right, so let's get started with this. So this is going to be our affiliate funnel. It's going to be really simple. It's going to be just a one-page video with an opt-in form. And I'm going to come down here and use this. There's a bunch of them in here that you can use, but I come down here and I use this one here. These aren't really complicated setups. This isn't like ClickFunnels or Lead Pages or some of the other ones maybe you've seen in the past. This is pretty much ready to go. There's not really much to it. You can't really screw these up too much. So what I like to do is I'm going to save this as 3-week diet page. That's going to be a title, okay? And then I'm going to call this 3-week diet, okay? And then I'll hit the custom. So custom right here, I'm going to put my affiliate link in there. You see that? That's my affiliate link from ClickBank right there. So when somebody puts their name and email here and their phone number, it redirects to my ClickBank offer. So I'm going to click on full name. I'm going to do simple email, name and email. And then what I'll do is I'm going to pick the background. I come in here to these backgrounds here. Let's see here. I'm going to go down to fitness. Here we go. So 3-week diet. People want to lose weight. Let's see here. Let's find a good looking. Let's find a good looking one here. Somebody that's in shape, that's healthy. let's use this one right here. There we go. This is a good fitness in the back. So these are fit people. So that's going to be a good background. All right. So what we're going to do is I'm going to change the text up top here. I'm going to say how to lose 10 pounds in the next 3 weeks. And what I'll do is I'll click on the edit design, click on this. I'm going to raise the text up a little bit. See how easy this is? Okay. And then what I'll do is text shadow. I'm going to have, so there's a little bit of black text shadow in the back. I'm just going to space it out. So then what it does is it kind of pops it out a little bit. Okay. So then you can put your social media links in here. So I'm going to put my social media links to Facebook. You can also put, you can put in Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Google+, Instagram, and YouTube. All right, so I'm going to take out edit text. I'm going to take out this. I'll leave that there. So what I'm going to do is I'll connect this with my Aweber list that I have here. You can also use this system right here and you connect it to your email here. Now the great thing about collecting email is you're able to follow up with people over and over again. So instead of just sending them to your affiliate link one time, and if they don't buy, then you've lost that sale. If you collect an email, then you're able to send multiple emails. You're able to send your same link inside the emails. That way you get a better chance of making that sale. All right, so I'm going to click on save just to make sure we're saved up. Okay, so now the video right here. What I like to do is go over to YouTube. I'm going to type in 3-week diet review. Okay, so 3-week diet review. And then what I'll do is I'll come over here to this video right here. This is a pretty good review. It's just this guy talking about losing weight. And what I'll do is I'll just take this link. See, I'm going to copy the YouTube link. Then I'm going to come back to my page here. Okay, I'm going to click on edit here. So it says video ID. I'm just going to drop in the full link, click save, and the video ID is saved. Okay, so then now look at this. So this is a review of the 3-week diet. So you send the traffic here. This guy's talking about it. Name and email right here is, so what here, let me see. I'm going to change this right here. Edit text. So enter your name and email for more information. Okay. Click on save. That's it. And now we're done. You're done with your page right here. So I can go back to all of my landing pages here. Landing page builder. Landing page builder. You can see I got a ton of them in here. And then I'm going to go down here to the 3-week diet. So you can say get link. So you get the link here. So this is your unique link that you can have. Okay, so boom, I click this. Now this is awesome video right here. So instead of sending somebody straight to a video like YouTube and get distracted, maybe they go and click on other links. You send them right here. Somebody puts in their name and email. So we're going to put in Tyler. We're going to put in Tyler test. This is a test email, so please don't send email there. It probably won't work. Take a free tour, right? So when I click this, boom, it clicks over here to the 3-week diet. This is my link right here to my affiliate link, and now I can get paid for that. So now all you have to do is just, instead of sending people directly to here, then you can send them, straight to your, oh, come on. You send them straight to this page. Okay, so this is the page you want to promote. Promote this page, see the link, name and email, they get redirected. Now you have an email on the email list. You can follow up with somebody there. Now what you can do is once you get this page right here set up, you can go over to YouTube, right? And you can just say weight loss. And what I like to do is I'll go into filters here. I'm going to click on this year, filters, and I'm also going to put in view count. Now look at these. So 9 months. This video has already gotten 9 million, 9 million views on this. Here's another one, 7 million views. These are a lot of views. So when you click on these, okay, so when you click on these, this person right here is not really, there's no links in here. I mean, you have some links down here, but they're just trying to, to build up their accounts with this natural cures. You probably could go back to, let's see here, Indian Mom on Duty. Let's see if she's got a link in here. See, she's got no link. She's got one link here to her blog. All right, so with this video right here, what I would do is I'm gonna click on the link right here to that channel. I'm gonna click on About. Okay, and then I'm gonna click on Send a Message. Okay, so then I'm gonna send a message to this person right here, and I'm going to ask them if I can put a link inside the description of their video. You can also do View Email Address. Click on this, hit Submit. Characters entered. Well, usually this will pop up their email address. Okay, so you can email them and let them know. But here's what you're going to want to do. You're going to want to drop your link inside of this video right here. Okay, if you can put your link right here to your page, if you can put to your affiliate page here, you're gonna crush it. You're gonna absolutely crush it if you can get a link right here. Because this, you look at the stats on this, statistics. I mean, look at this right here since November 26th. It's just going crazy, straight up. Okay, so there's just huge amounts of traffic. So daily, you look at, there's a lot here, but there's still a ton of traffic coming into this daily. Cumulative. Okay, so you want to reach out to somebody in here and just drop your link in there. They might ask you for a small fee for that. Obviously, if they have a big link like this, it might be a small fee. It could be like $30, $40, maybe $100, but it's totally worth it because you get so much traffic to your opt-in form, your affiliate link, and you would crush it because you collect an email. Okay, so I just use this system right here. I'm going to leave the link below this video. It's going to show you how to use this same thing. You can just jump in here and get started with this, and you can create your own landing page for your affiliate sites. Okay, so hey, if you like this, share this video with your friends. Also like this video. If you want to comment below, let me know how I can help your business. So this is Tyler Pratt. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next one.